the Honda CR-V 2026. From digital blueprint to physical reality. The very foundation of the Honda CR-V 2026 begins to take shape. Each component precisely formed. The process continues, forming every curve with absolute accuracy for the Honda CR-V 2026. Robotic welders fuse the frame, ensuring structural integrity for every Honda CR-V 2026. Laser measurement systems verify every weld, ensuring the robust structure of the Honda CR-V 2026.
A precise layer of primer is applied, preparing the Honda CR-V 2026 for its vibrant finish.
The gleaming finish of the Honda CR-V 2026 begins to emerge.
The heart of the Honda CR-V 2026, its powerful engine, is now carefully integrated.
The transmission unit, a vital component of the Honda CR-V 2026, is seamlessly joined to the engine. The complex dashboard, nerve center of the Honda CR-V 2026, is precisely positioned.
Door panels, equipped with advanced controls, are fitted with expert precision into the Honda CR-V 2026.
The windshield is fitted with robotic precision, ensuring perfect visibility for the Honda CR-V 2026.
Every tire on the Honda CR-V 2026 is automatically checked for optimal pressure.
Dòng xe Honda CR-V 2026 trải qua quá trình kiểm tra chẩn đoán nghiêm ngặt, đảm bảo hiệu suất và độ tin cậy tối ưu.
Electronic diagnostics confirm every system in the Honda CR-V 2026 is operating flawlessly.
Tại Trung tâm Kiểm soát Chất lượng, chiếc Honda CR-V 2026 phải trải qua các bài kiểm tra khắc nghiệt nhất, đảm bảo độ bền vượt trội.
Our meticulous process includes laser scanning the 2026 Honda CR-V's metallic paint, guaranteeing a flawless finish and long-lasting durability.
Here in the quality control facility, every component of the CR-V is meticulously evaluated before production.
Interior fit and finish are meticulously checked, ensuring comfort and quality within the Honda CR-V 2026.
Tại Trung tâm Kiểm soát Chất lượng, từng chi tiết của Honda CR-V 2026 được kiểm tra tỉ mỉ, nhằm đảm bảo sự hoàn hảo tuyệt đối trước khi đến tay khách hàng.
Observe the aerodynamic curves, a testament to advanced design, shaping the Honda CR-V 2026. The Honda CR-V 2026, a masterpiece of engineering, is now ready.
Every CR-V part finds its designed home consistently.